welcome back to my channel and today's topic is all about skincare. Now we can see that लड़कियों को जो है skincare वो already पसंद होती है and they know more things about the products. But let me make this point out very clear कि ये जो skincare routine है this can be applicable for both boys and as well as girls. यहाँ पे जो जितने भी males हैं जो भी मतलब college going है या फिर school या फिर office going है, आजकल pollutions बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. So this is also applicable for them as well. However, आजकल के जो लड़के हैं, if we see that वो लोग स्किन केयर या फिर मेकअप एसेंशियल्स, they see these things more into feminine side and that's why I think for the societies or everything the unconventional thoughts, वो लोग को लगता है कि मेकअप और स्किन केयर इज probably उनको छक्का दिखाता है, बट दैट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल ट्रू. सो ये जो स्किन केयर है वो बहुत जेंडर्स के लिए एप्लीकेबल होता है, इवन इफ फॉर ऑल. एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो. So here I have used Himalaya Blueberry Face Wash which has mild beads and that is really useful for exfoliation. So I have taken a pea-size amount and I am exfoliating it all over my face and gently just scrubbing it out so that all the dead cells will get removed. And do it gently guys, because if you will be harsh on the skin that it might get you some acne later on. So be very gentle. Now pat your skin dry and do it very gently. Next up, I am using Dot & Key Hyaluronic Toner. Spray it all over your face. Now gently tap your face so that the toner will deeply penetrate into your skin. Next up, I am using the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is really effective on my skin because it provides a great nourishment and proper hydration to my skin. So take few drops in your skin and then just gently massage into your skin. Then I have used the Pond's Light Moisturizer. I am taking a pea-size amount of the moisturizer in my palms. And then here I have used Neutrogena sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++. I am mixing it with the moisturizer so that I don't have to use it twice. Massage with your fingers till the moisturizer gets absorbed. For lip care, I am using Lakme Lip Love. Here I am done with my skincare routine and I hope you will try it guys. If you do, then let me know in the comment section below how did it work for you. That's the end of the video guys, and I hope you liked it, and all the information that I've provided, I think it's kind of helpful to you guys. And for the last tip, I want to add on something, that if you really have some kind of skin problems or your skin is highly sensitive or you have acne prone skin, then make sure that you won't use any of these products without the consultation of a good dermatologist, because that is really necessary. Because अगर आप कोई भी नया प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हो, like it is obviously it contains chemicals and I think it can make it more worst. सो उसके लिए आपको पहले डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट से सजेशन लेना पड़ेगा एंड आफ्टर द कंसल्टेशन यू कैन गो आफ्टर दैट. However, if you don't have these kind of problems, then you can directly go for the products and give it a try, and within 1 week you can also come up with the results. So that's the end of the video guys, and I hope you liked it all. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more these kind of videos. Thank you. Bye bye.